Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm going to show you how to make a Padlet. First, you're going to click the button in the top right-hand screen that says Make a Padlet. Once you click that, these options will pop up: Wall, Stream, Grid, Shelf, Map, Canvas, and Timeline. Today, we're going to choose Grid. Arrange content in rows of boxes. Once you click Grid, it'll bring you to your Padlet. You'll want to add a title. I'm going to make the title 3 States of Matter. Then you'll want to add a description. Mine will be, give an example of a solid, liquid, and gas. Next, you can choose an icon. The icon will appear to the left of the title and description. You can either choose to have an icon or choose no icon. Then you'll go back and you'll see this address. You can copy the link to your clipboard and you can share this link with others. Next, let's choose the appearance. You can choose the wallpaper. There's solid colors, gradients, textures and patterns, and pictures. You can also add your own wallpaper. I'm going to look at gradients and I'm going to choose this one. Then I'm going to go back twice. Now I can choose a color scheme, white or black. I'm going to choose the color scheme white. Then you can choose a font. I'm going to choose this one. Then for posting, attribution, display author name above each post. I'm going to click this because I want each name to show. New post position, where do new posts appear? You can either choose first or last. I'm going to leave it at first. Comments, allow viewers to comment on posts. You can either check this to make it available or leave it like this. Reactions, this is where people can like, vote, star, or grade. I'm going to leave it at none. Next is content filtering. You can choose to require approval or filter profanity. And then for content protection, for remakes, I'm going to allow non-admins to remake this Padlet. And then there's advanced options as well. Once you've had all your settings like you'd like them, and I'm going to click Next, and then Start Posting. To make the first post, you'll click the plus button in the bottom right-hand corner. Once you click, you can add a subject. Mine will be solid. Then you can write a description or write whatever you want. I'm going to write rock. Then you can even add content. You can use your camera, screen recorder, image search, Spotify, web search, GIF, draw, video record, audio recorder, I can't draw, YouTube, location, and you can also choose a link to upload or Padlet itself. I'm going to choose to add a photo, and I'm going to search images, GIFs, YouTube, Spotify, websites, or paste URL. I'm going to just search rock. And I'm going to choose a photo I'd like. Once I have chosen one, I can choose what color I would like my post to be. I'm going to choose purple. Once I'm satisfied with what I've made, I'll click Publish. And here it is with my name, when it was posted, the title, description, and photo. I hope this video was helpful, and now you know how to make your own Padlet.